this is. Alright guys, so I'm here with Joseph right now. We're riding on the spare quick update. You guys saw in the pictures that I uploaded.
Bruh.
This is just terrible because, you know, we're trying to go to Spokane. This is like no other shop has our correct wheels and tires in stock, ready in hand. So I'll keep you guys posted.
Are you gonna get mileage of these?
Oh, I'm getting a good
Tourists.
Alright, so we are back here. We gotta fill up Joseph's wheel because
Bruh.
the Porsche blew a tire. It blew a tire, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, we have to use Joseph's GMC Acadia. You remember him? Wait, did they not accept Amex? No.
Okay, so you have to go in the store to pay.
All right, so we decided to stop by at the coffee shop here. It's called the Laconia Market Café, sandwiches and groceries. And so we're getting ready to head out now. And it's gonna be great for the trip, but essentially to summarize what happened, because you know, we were just such in a rush. Like it was like everything just happened at once, basically. We were just driving, right? And then we see a car in front of us swerve left, so I'm like, okay, let me swerve left, and the tow hitch went right under my right front wheel, and boom, we hear this boom, smoke coming out, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh geez, are we, you know what I'm saying? We were chilling. The only thing was broken was the flat tire, and the wheel is bent, unfortunately, so I have to try to get an OEM Porsche wheel. So I gotta do that, and then fix my right AC line. The right AC is not working, but the left AC is working, so we're chilling. And very thankful that Joseph was there to help us out. So very nice. Yeah, I got to drive his GMC Acadia. You know what I'm saying?
Drive nice.
Yeah, no, that thing was taking. It's taking like what, 17 miles a gallon. Like it does not want to go below 17 miles a gallon. Insane for an SUV. Plus we have, you know, cargo in the back, and I was in tow mode too. You know, quote unquote sport mode. So. Are you ready or?
Yeah.
Bet, man. But yeah, so we got the GPS going. All right, catch you guys on the next stop. Joseph's going golfing. Yeah. All right, so we just made it to the golf course right now, and yeah, Joseph might go golfing. You know what I'm saying, right? No, we're not going golfing. Not right now. Not right now. We got a destination to go to. We got a timeline to run. You know what I'm saying? But we're just taking a quick break. You know, and honestly, this is like such a chill spot. But we're yeah, needed to stretch my legs. You know what I'm saying? So. We're past Easton, so we're like it's like a Sun County golf course is what it's called, I believe. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys at the next stop.
in the Ritz cars. Got the stick, all the Ritz cars.
Yeah,
Alright, so we're in the Ryegrass rest area. It's currently 12 a.m. And so, yeah, we made it.
State Department of Transportation, Ryegrass Rest Area. Yep.
We had a long way to go. 2 hours. 2 hours, but we got this. Easy, easy. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So it is the next day and we're in Sydney's car, and so we're going to J&J Tires right now to go and put the brand new DWS06 Plus onto the 996 wheel, because as y'all already know, I ordered the wrong one, unfortunately. I ordered the right one, and so they gave me the shipping package label, right, which, you know, had the image of the 986 wheel, said 986 wheel part number on it. Open the box and it's a 996. So I mean, I'm not complaining. I like it. I wish that the value would be the same if I had 996 wheels on the front, but I guess not. So we'll just keep it matching. I did order another 986 wheel. Image will be posted here. So yeah, we're on the way to J&J right now. It's 5:40. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, 5:40 p.m. And the tires in the back, right there, as y'all can see, DWS06 Plus, and the 996 wheel is in the rear. So I'll catch you guys back when we're at J&J Tires. All right, guys, so we just got finished installing the brand new DWS06 tires. Very nice, you know what I'm saying? Brand new tread, just got it installed, so we're about to head back now. Just want to give a huge shout out to J&J Tires over here in Everett. Wonderful place, always very reliable. Alright guys, so the wheel has finally arrived. This is the second wheel, which will be going on the right to replace the actual broken bent wheel, as you guys can see right there. That's just some nasty business, you know what I'm saying? So we'll just bring this over to Schwab. My buddy Ethan over there, he's going to install it for us. Alright guys, so we're at Schwab right now. We're aligning the vehicle right now, and we are, well, they are mounting and balancing the tires. So shout out to Schwab here at Walnut, right off the trestle over there. So shout out to them. I really appreciate the service, and their customer service is very wonderful. So I mean, if y'all need to get tires, wheels, you know, alignment, mounting, balancing, get them up right here too, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, they're doing the alignment right now, and yeah, we got the new tires in the front installed.